So the topic is case study on spectroscopic techniques. So we know that there are many analytical techniques. In many analytical techniques, one of the fine-tuned better technology or technique we understand is spectroscopy. Because we don't know what is the molecule, what it contains. It contains carbon, nitrogen, or any functional group we don't know. But the spectroscopic technique is a tool which helps us to identify the new innovations and new things, and also an existing one to understand our adulteration and a lot of ideas behind this. So in this session we discuss the applications of the various spectroscopes. I would like to hear the things from you based on specific case studies regarding this.
So the first thing is drug identification and authentication, sir. It helps to provide raw materials and finished products, sir. And the next thing is quantitative analysis. It helps to ensure that the quality of the drug and the correct dosage, sir. The main thing is dosage, so it ensures the correct dosage, sir.
Dosage and quality.
Sir, in structure elucidation, it identifies the structure of compounds, especially in NMR and IR spectroscopy. In impurity detection, it detects and quantifies the impurities and degradation products. It ensures the product safety also.
Product safety, adulteration, and structural limitation. Yes, good.
Sir, it is a real-time monitoring of manufacturing process. So optimizes the consistency and it also maintains it, sir. So solubility test means spectroscopy analyzes drug solubility in different solvents. Yeah, it is also important in bioavailability studies.
So in stability testing. Its storage is the stimulation to be followed, and it monitors when accurate, and it gives the assist to what to be followed in next step to be examined, and it assists the ABS and development to be developing same time.
Sir, in polymer detection, it identifies the different crystalline forms of drugs using IR or Raman spectroscopy. It ensures the drugs detections, and in regularity compliances, it provides data required for both FDA and also for health authority submission. It ensures the products meet and the pharmaceutical products.
So based on the health.
So the next step is process monitoring. In process monitoring, there are different types of spectroscopies. The most prominent techniques which are used is IR infrared spectroscopy and HS RCS spectroscopy, and also the Raman spectroscopy. So these are the main three spectroscopies being used. So in this process making, they take efficient consistency about the researchers and the scientific research being done in spectroscopy. So by these techniques, we can involve more pharmaceuticals products, and also which is being helpful to the human beings. And the next is the raw material applications, which is being used with the spectroscopy. So by this, there are good time indeed to use all these techniques with more prominent phases of Raman technology, and also which can give more. So the pivotal role which plays in spectroscopy is the consistency of making new products, and the raw materials is Raman and the IR infrared structures. So by this we can conclude that there are more spectroscopy techniques, and also a lot of pharmaceuticals products could be used in the upcoming future exhibitors.
So then I would like to conclude this with the case that the spectroscopy plays a crucial role in pharmaceutical industries. So it offers the fast, accurate, and also non-destructive way to analyze the drug compounds. So this is also used to monitor and control the things like analyzing the drug and whether to determine it kills the pathogens or not for the patients. It plays a crucial role in the pharmaceutical industries from what the case that we have done through it. Thank you.
So as far as our discussion, we understand that spectroscopy is a powerful tool to analyze the molecules or any atoms or any compound or some other things. So mostly, as you said, it is used in pharmaceutical industries, as you said, well said, food industries, and the analytical techniques and the polymer crystalline nature can be studied. And there are some additional spectroscopies also. You are listed NMR, nuclear magnetic resonance, infrared, Raman, UV like that, and HPLC. So there are also some other things like X-ray studies and gamma ray studies that we can explore in our next discussion. Thank you.
Thank you.